Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we're taking a look at a machine that offers a potentially smart way to get a capable desktop without breaking the bank. The renewed Dell Optiplex 7040 small form factor PC, specifically one that's been upgraded with an NVIDIA GeForce GT 1030 graphics card. First off, let's talk about the renewed aspect. According to the description, this isn't just a used computer. It's been professionally inspected, every component tested for full functionality, and the exterior cosmetics are restored to look like new, though there might be minor signs of previous use. It ships with all relevant accessories and includes a minimum 90-day warranty, which adds a layer of confidence when buying refurbished. It arrives ready to go, potentially in a generic box, but the focus is on the internal condition and performance. At its core, this Optiplex 7040 is powered by a 6th-generation Intel Core i5-6500 quad-core processor, capable of speeds up to 3.60 GHz. This CPU is a solid performer for everyday tasks, business applications, web browsing, and general productivity. It provides reliable and consistent performance for a smooth PC experience. Memory-wise, it comes professionally upgraded with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. This amount of memory is quite sufficient for multitasking, allowing users to run multiple applications simultaneously without significant slowdowns. Zipping through tasks should feel responsive with 8 GB of modern DDR4 memory. For storage, it features a 256 GB SSD. The inclusion of an SSD is a major plus, as it dramatically improves boot times and application loading speeds compared to traditional hard drives. While 256 GB might not be massive for storing huge media libraries, it's ample space for the operating system, essential applications, and a good amount of documents and files. It provides a fast foundation for the system. Now, the key upgrade that sets this particular Optiplex apart is the NVIDIA GeForce GT 1030 graphics card with 2 GB of memory. This dedicated graphics card adds significant capability beyond the integrated graphics typically found in these business machines. It provides HDMI and DVI outputs, allowing for connection to a wide range of monitors. The description highlights its ability to handle some popular games. While it's not a high-end gaming card, the GT 1030 can enable entry-level gaming. The listing specifically mentions games like Fortnite, Minecraft, Super Mario, and Lego City. It states that for Fortnite, users can expect up to 30 to 45 FPS, which means it's playable, but likely at lower settings. This makes the PC suitable for casual gaming or for kids who want to play less demanding titles. The package is quite complete. It includes the Dell Optiplex 7040 small form factor unit itself, the GT 1030 video card installed, a brand new keyboard and mouse combo, a power cord, and a wireless USB Wi-Fi adapter. Having Wi-Fi included is convenient, as many older business desktops require a separate adapter. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro 64-bit in English, French, and Spanish, which is a professional operating system suitable for both home and business use. The small form factor design means this PC won't take up much space on a desk, making it ideal for home offices, small businesses, or anywhere space is limited. Overall, this renewed Dell Optiplex 7040 SFF with the GT 1030 upgrade appears to be a compelling option for someone looking for a budget-friendly desktop that can handle everyday tasks, light business use, and some casual gaming. The combination of a solid i5 CPU, 8 GB DDR4, a fast SSD, and the added graphics capability makes it a versatile machine for its price point, especially considering it's a complete package with peripherals and a warranty. It seems like a smart way to get a lot of functionality out of a proven business-class platform.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.